In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw from Wise using a verified method. To begin, open the Wise app or go to the Wise website and log into your account. Before you do anything else, make sure the money you want to withdraw is already available in your Wise balance. This is important because if the funds are still pending or tied to another transfer, you may not be able to send them out yet. Once you're inside your account, go to the Home section. From there, select the currency balance that contains the money you want to withdraw. For example, this could be US dollars, euros, or British pounds. After choosing the correct balance, tap Send. Even though you're withdrawing to yourself, Wise processes this as a transfer from your balance to a bank account. Next, choose the bank account where you want to receive the money. If you've already added your bank account before, you can simply select it from your existing recipients. If not, tap Add a recipient and choose bank details, then select Myself if you're sending the funds to your own bank account. After that, enter the requested bank information carefully. Take your time here because the account details need to be accurate to avoid delays or failed transfers. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. Type in how much you'd like to send to your bank. If the withdrawal involves converting from one currency to another, Wise will automatically show you the exchange rate as well as any applicable fee. This is one of the most useful parts of the process because you can clearly see what you'll receive before moving forward. Make sure the final amount looks right before continuing. After that, review everything on the confirmation screen. Check the recipient name, the bank or account details, the amount you're sending, the currency, the exchange rate if there is one, the Wise fee, and the estimated arrival time. Wise usually displays all applicable costs up front, so this is your chance to make sure everything matches what you expect. When you're ready, tap Confirm and Send. Wise will begin processing the withdrawal, and you'll be able to track the status directly from your account. This helps you know whether the transfer is still processing, on the way, or completed. Finally, once Wise shows that the transfer has been completed, open your bank app and check your account balance. Compare the incoming amount with the Wise transaction details to confirm everything arrived correctly. It's also a good idea to keep the Wise transaction receipt for your records, especially if you may need proof of the transfer later.